One of the most important things that you can think about as a first responder for gauging where your casualty is at is to talk to your casualty and to gauge their mental status. If I run up onto the casualty and I'm not sure what's going on and I start talking to him and I don't get a response, or I get a very odd response, then that's going to start telling me that there might be an interruption in their oxygen delivery system. Their brain isn't getting the oxygen that it needs to keep working correctly. So we're going to start to get weird responses. We need to ask the casualty if he is oriented to person, place, and time. Who are you? Where are you? And what time or what general date it is. If we start to get weird answers to that, such as
pineapples,
that doesn't make any sense to me. I'm going to know that there's something a little messed up in John Paul's head right now, and I'm going to get a good clue for that. The other thing that we can do is a painful or a pain stimulus. We can take our knuckles and drag it up and down very aggressively and hard on his sternum because we want it to hurt. We want to get a pain response to make sure that, one, he isn't just taking a nap and he's actually having some issues. If I do that sternal rub and I get no response or maybe just a slight groan, then I'm going to get a good clue that there's something serious going on and I need to get 911 en route as quickly as possible and figure out what it is that's causing him to have this lack of oxygen. It might be bleeding, it might be respiratory, it might be a variety of different things, but now we've got some clues that John Paul is very sick and we need to take care of him.